on, I am so bored. What shall we do? Greatly great.
I know. We can go to TV Funland by train.
Do you think so?
Of course. Chris Animate can come too. He told me yesterday. He also told us that we can go by train.
That's a great idea. Greatly great the cutie pie.
Hey Grubby the Munch Monster, guess what?
What is it, Watermelon?
Chris Animate told us that we're going to TV Funland. He told us after school.
Okay, wait, why is my voice Russell?
Yeah. My voice is Alan again.
Let's get Pinky, Green Grape Lee Gray, the Cherry Twins, Pearl the Fiddle, Phone Bot, and How Did You Mellow Me?
Do you know where the underground subway is? Oh, never mind.
Welcome to the Beyond Subway. Where would you like to go?
TV Funland.
Enjoy. Welcome guys, where would you like to go?
TV Funland.
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 Oh boy, we can't wait to see new things.
I know. This is exciting.
Oh my god. What is that noise? Oh no. We're upside down. Violy, Raven, and Kenward. How dare you crash the train while we are going to TV Funland, and you three crashed us here. That's it.
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 That's it. We are calling your parents.
No 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 no.
No 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 no. No 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 no.
Hello, is this Violy, Kenward, and Raven's parents? Yes. They destroyed the train while we are going to TV Funland. Can you all ground them?
Violy, Raven, and Kenward did what? Oh my god. They are so grounded for 10 days. Thanks for telling me, Barry.
Violy, Raven, and Kenward. How dare you destroy the train while the Fruit Crew and their friends go to TV Funland?
But we didn't mean it.
No, it was not. It really isn't. As punishment, Little Berry is going to summon Fruit Power.
Fruit Power.
Ow 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 ow.
Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh.
Go to Kenward's room now and watch Cool Shapes.
Wow.
How can we ever find a way to go to TV Funland now? We will be stuck here forever.
I know. I can fix the train by using Beyond Logic with Chris Animate, but I need some help. Will you help us fix the train?
Yes.
Okay. Beyond Logic, activate.
Wow, very impressive.
job fixing the train using key and logic. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go back inside.
Viewers, we appreciate you for helping us today. See you next time.